ChatGPT will change the game for the cryptocurrency market. Recently, there have been a lot of discussions regarding ChatGPT and how it can impact various aspects of our lives. The possible connection it may have with the financial and economic sector is one of the most frequent discussed subjects. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Fast Forward. In today's episode, we are going to tell you about the ChatGPT and how it will change the game for the cryptocurrency market. Let's dig in. What is cryptocurrency? Do you completely understand what a cryptocurrency is? A digital payment system known as cryptocurrency doesn't rely on banks to validate transactions. Peer-to-peer technology makes it possible for anybody, anywhere to send and receive payments. Payments made using cryptocurrencies do not exist as actual physical coins that can be transported and exchanged. Rather, they only exist as digital entries on an online database that detail individual transactions. A public ledger keeps track of all Bitcoin transactions that involve money transfers. Digital wallets are where cryptocurrency is kept. What might the arrival of ChatGPT mean for the cryptocurrency community? Built using machine learning and artificial intelligence, ChatGPT is a chatbot created by OpenAI. Let's examine it more closely. ChatGPT, the newest AI model from OpenAI, is already having a significant impact on the Bitcoin industry. ChatGPT is gradually evolving into a preferred tool for crypto experts thanks to its capacity to generate realistic writing on a variety of topics and even translate human suggestions into lines of code. ChatGPT's possibilities are limitless, ranging from smart contract audits and summarizing lengthy scholarly text to even building a cryptocurrency wallet from scratch. The way the crypto industry operates is being revolutionized by this technology, and its influence will only increase. A chatbot is a computer program that mimics human speech while attempting to be as realistic as possible. Being more realistic involves making an effort to make its talk sound as much like those of a human as possible, in order to minimize any noticeable differences. ChatGPT, a platform for text-based artificial intelligence, has become well known for its capacity to handle a variety of jobs with great accuracy. Utilizing the instrument to present potential price fluctuations of various market assets during trading is one way it might be leveraged. How ChatGPT might impact the crypto market. The Bitcoin market may be impacted by ChatGPT in a number of ways. It can be used to examine market data, forecast potential trends, and highlight trading opportunities. It can also be used to create automated trading algorithms and offer guidance while making decisions. By examining market data, ChatGPT can assist traders in making more informed decisions and seizing fresh chances. Finally, it can help with customer service by promptly and accurately answering queries from customers. ChatGPT can be used as leverage in trading by presenting potential price changes for various markets. ChatGPT can be used as leverage in trading by presenting potential price changes for various market assets. In this context, Finbold requests ChatGPT to share the potential price of Bitcoin or BTC by 2030 based on a variety of variables, including historical price movement, technical analysis, and other pertinent indicators. It's interesting to note that the tool admitted that the high market volatility and regulations make it difficult to forecast the price of Bitcoin over the long term. The AI-powered platform points out that there is still opportunity for Bitcoin to increase in value over the next several years, given the market's maturing and rising acceptance. It is impossible to predict the price of Bitcoin in 2030 with any degree of accuracy. The price of Bitcoin is highly volatile and is subject to many external factors, such as government regulation, economic conditions, and technological advancement. As the cryptocurrency market matures and more people become aware of the potential of digital currencies, Bitcoin will likely become more widely accepted and its value will continue to rise, said ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also utilized in the cryptocurrency sector for new project development and education. A young Canadian software programmer named Tamwa Admidan used ChatGPT to create a Bitcoin wallet from scratch and even produced a comprehensive manual with illustrations that explains how to use it. This demonstrates how ChatGPT may be used to inform the public about new initiatives as well as improve the efficiency of the development process. The most recent industry to experience the effects of AI's disruption is that of crypto writing and reporting. Projects and exchanges have been struggling to stay up with the crypto market's constant swings, which has caused a rise in the financial writing industry. Enter ChatGPT, an AI writing prodigy who can create articles of the same caliber as a typical fintech writer in just 60 seconds. Despite not having the most recent information, it is saving authors time and enabling them to produce articles at a breakneck speed. What can happen to crypto? Future developments in artificial intelligence and cryptocurrencies may become closely related. AI and blockchain are two technologies that have not yet reached their full potential. Both are examples of specialized technologies that only a select group of people have learned about and used. Additionally, they might collaborate in the future. As was already mentioned, AIs will be able to produce any form of digital goods, products that are impossible to tell from those made by human mind. They might even be able to manage our investment portfolios or develop a coin for us. The blockchain will benefit from all the technologies that will increase digitalization, including ChatGPT, precisely because it tries to increase security in the digital realm. Additionally, cryptocurrencies will gain. Finance and IT will become increasingly intertwined in the future. Bitcoins will undoubtedly steal from both sides. In actuality, ChatGPT says the following: both AI and cryptocurrencies have been used to automate financial processes. AI can help predict cryptocurrency prices, while cryptocurrencies themselves can offer great security and transparency in financial transactions. In the future, we are likely to see more and more integration between AI and cryptocurrencies, with AI being used to automate cryptocurrency trading processes, and cryptocurrencies being used as a means of payment to purchase goods and services provided by AI systems. Without a doubt, we wouldn't be able to distinguish between human and artificial intelligence-generated output. We cannot be certain that a fund manager, whether investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, would have the ability to provide greater guidance than a straightforward chatbot. Considering all the information at its disposal, a bot of this kind might be a workable answer if it were developed solely to provide financial advice. Additionally, it would be beneficial to follow all of the machine's directions given how chilly it is. From its perspective, there will undoubtedly be significant changes. In the end, each of us wants to employ the strategy that will provide the maximum profit, and if artificial intelligences are the ones that make this possible, this will quickly become widespread. Trading bots haven't been particularly useful up to this point because they still fall short of the skilled trader. However, the market as a whole will shift once they gain enough power to consistently produce a given result over time. We are unable to predict the exact course of events. The compatibility of cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence is a given. Benefits of ChatGPT in the cryptocurrency market. Better decision-making. Trading professionals can benefit from ChatGPT's insights into market movements by making better decisions. Automated trading. To assist traders in taking advantage of fresh changes and might produce automated algorithms. Accelerated client service. By responding to questions as soon as possible, it can deliver more effective customer service. Enhanced efficiency. ChatGPT can speed up the process of market data analysis, freeing up traders to concentrate on other elements of their trading strategy. ChatGPT's potential risks for the cryptocurrency market. Although ChatGPT has the potential to positively impact the cryptocurrency market, there are significant concerns involved as well. Dependence on automated algorithms. Due to ChatGPT's heavy reliance on automated trading algorithms, traders run the danger of placing an undue amount of trust in technology and making poor choices. Risk to data security. There is a higher chance of data leaks or misuse as more data is gathered and processed. Prediction errors. The possibility exists that ChatGPT will make incorrect predictions, which could result in losses for traders. Unanticipated effects. ChatGPT might bring about unintended consequences that weren't initially planned. In conclusion, by giving traders new resources for analysis and decision-making, ChatGPT has the potential to have a significant impact on the Bitcoin market. However, it is crucial to take into account any potential drawbacks and ethical issues with deploying AI in the financial markets. The crypto business is undergoing a change thanks to ChatGPT, which can generate realistic text on a variety of topics and even translate user input into lines of code. The technology has a lot of advantages, such as the ability to audit smart contracts and launch new projects, but it also has certain drawbacks and calls for programmers with the intelligence to cut through ChatGPT's own nonsense. It will be fascinating to observe how ChatGPT continues to influence the crypto business as the future of technology seems promising. To completely comprehend and reduce the dangers and advantages of using ChatGPT in the Bitcoin market, more investigation is required. We are unable to predict the exact course of events. The compatibility of cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence is a given. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. And if you have any views regarding this video, tell us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.